Hi guys, it's Courtney with Bumblebee Vending, and today we're going to show you how to collect money from the vending machine. Here we have a combo machine where we have 20 selection snacks, 20 selection drinks. So first we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's do the other key. Oh, what's going on with that key? Okay, open it up. Once you open up your vending machine, you're gonna wanna go over here. This is the bill acceptor. Hold this door for me, Maya. And you basically just push down on it. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time. Maya, here, come do this for me. Push down on it and take it out. Okay, put it in the bag. And then what we're gonna do is put this back on. And it's really easy. Then you also have your change at the bottom. So you're gonna wanna grab your change tray. I think it's a dime or something right here. I'm gonna put that in here. And then what we do is just pour it in our bag. And we actually use a lunch bag for our collection. You can use any type of bag. And that's basically how you do a collection and check your money.